This is the KRE88 cabinet lock. Currently it's in unlock position. You can, depending on the orientation of your door, you can either orient the cam lock this way or upwards. You just screwed it downwards. So this is unlocked. For locking, I will press whatever code I want because it's set in public mode. Let's say I press in 1, 2, 3, 4 hash, wait for the turn to turn green, and then I lock it. Now it's locked. For unlocking, I'll have to put in the same code. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 hash. It turns green indicator, and then I just turn it down. It's unlocked. Let's say if I forget my passcode, let me set another new passcode. Let's do 3452 hash, green light. Now I can lock it. It's locked. Let's say I've forgotten it. Now we've set the emergency passcode also. So a master code is required as an override key. So you can do it all across all your cabinets. In this particular one, there's a default one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hash. You can change it as well depending on whatever you want. There is a procedure which we mentioned here. However, for now we have not changed it. So the default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hash. Turns green, so I will just unblock it.